Are you looking for the best desktop water dispensers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best desktop water dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keweis Portable Water Dispenser. Enjoy smart and effortless water pumping with Keweis Portable Electric Water Bottle Pump. This water dispenser features 7 levels of quantitative pumping, allowing you to select the perfect amount of water to pump automatically. Its portable and detachable design makes it easy to install and remove, while the durable ABS plastic housing and 304 stainless steel water outlet ensure safety and longevity. The flexible silicone water hose is compatible with a variety of bottle sizes, from 1 to 6 gallons, making it a versatile option for home, office, or outdoor use. With a USB rechargeable battery and low noise pumping, this water dispenser is both functional and stylish, making it a perfect fit for any lifestyle. What we like: portable and lightweight, rechargeable battery, quiet operation, multiple water dispensing options, can be used anywhere. Number 2. Refillr Portable Water Dispenser. The Refillr water dispenser is designed to keep your water clean and fresh with a premium cover that fits different bottle sizes. You can easily fill taller cups and glasses thanks to the included extension. This device features a long-lasting battery that ensures you can dispense water for an extended period without frequent recharges. With 7 filling options, you can choose the exact amount of water you need, whether it's in ounces or a continuous flow. This convenience makes it perfect for home, office, or outdoor use. What we like: hygienic cover for bottles, extension for tall drinkware, long-lasting battery life, multiple filling options. Number 3. DeiryuRay Intelligent Desktop Water Dispenser. The DeiryuRay Desktop Water Dispenser is designed for your convenience, making it easy to enjoy healthy water anywhere. Its lightweight and portable design means you can place it in any room, from your kitchen to your bedroom. You won't have to worry about cup height either, as the adjustable water outlet accommodates various types of cups, including tall glasses and thermoses. Plus, with its smart memory feature, the dispenser remembers your last used water volume, allowing you to dispense water automatically or manually based on your preference. This makes hydration simple and personalized for your daily needs. What we like: portable design, adjustable water outlet, smart memory function, durable silicone hose. Number 4. SPOVEN Adjustable Electric Water Dispenser. The SPOVEN water dispenser offers a height-adjustable design, allowing you to customize the height from 7.48 to 9.45 inches. This feature makes it easy to fill cups of various sizes without spills. Constructed from safe and hygienic materials, including a silicone hose and stainless steel nozzle, it ensures your drinking water remains clean. The dispenser comes with dust covers to keep your bottles free from contaminants. Additionally, its portable design, powered by a rechargeable battery, makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you convenience wherever you need it. What we like: height adjustable for convenience, safe, hygienic materials, dust covers included, portable with rechargeable battery. Number 5. PLUZZ Portable Electric Water Dispenser. The PLUZZ water pump offers you instant access to refreshing water, making it perfect for any setting, whether at home, in the office, or during outdoor adventures. With 6 customizable pumping options and an unlimited output mode, you can easily select the ideal amount of water for your needs, whether you're making a drink or just quenching your thirst. Its portable design means you can take it anywhere, while the rechargeable battery ensures you won't run out of power. Plus, the anti-slip feature keeps it stable on any surface, enhancing your overall experience. What we like: instant water access, customizable serving sizes, portable and lightweight, rechargeable battery, stable on surfaces.